To fix Parsec Error 602-3, start by opening the taskbar and clicking on the search button. Type "Allow an app" in the search bar, and select "Allow an app through Windows Firewall" from the results. This will open a tab in the control panel. Scroll down and find Parsec, or press the P key on your keyboard to jump to programs that start with P. Select Parsec and click Change Settings. Then enter your admin PIN if prompted. Check the boxes for Private and Public to allow Parsec on both networks. If Parsec is not listed, click Change Settings again. Enter your admin PIN, and then click Allow another app. Browse to the program files on your C drive. Find the Parsec folder, and select the correct executable file. If you still can't find the Parsec folder, use the File Explorer to search for it, or right-click on the Parsec icon and select Open File Location. Copy the path to the Parsec executable, then paste it into the Allow Another App window and click Open. Finally, check the boxes for Private and Public to allow Parsec on both networks. And you should be done.